It is very important to distinguish between valid and invalid samples to avoid repeating the procedure and delaying the diagnosis. In order to obtain a valid sample, it should be considered: impregnate enough blood quantity to completely fill the filter paper pre-printed circle. Allow complete impregnation, visible from the back. Complete all required circles. Do not overlap drops or impregnate each circle more than once. Do not touch samples. Invalid samples could also exist. There are different types and several causes, and to recognize them, it should be considered the following: not enough sample quantity for test. Causes: filter paper removal before complete impregnation, visible from the back. Impregnation done with blood obtained from a capillary tube. Filter paper contact with gloves before or after obtaining the sample. Sample appears scraped or irregular. Causes: blood application with a capillary tube or other inappropriate instrument. Sample not appropriately dried before sending it. Supersaturated sample. Causes: excessive blood application on filter paper. Blood impregnation on both sides of the paper. Diluted sample, bleached or polluted. Causes: exudation of area surrounding puncture site. Filter paper contact before or after taking the sample with bare hands or with gloves, or substances such as alcohol, antiseptic solutions, water, cosmetics, etc. Sample exposure to a direct heat source. Sample shows a serious ring. Causes: lack of drying alcohol excess before doing the puncture. Filter paper contact before or after taking the sample with bare hands or with gloves, or substances such as alcohol, antiseptic solutions, water, cosmetics, etc. Excessive compression of puncture surrounding zone. Incorrect drying of sample. Impregnation with capillary tube. Sample appears dripped or irregular. Causes: blood impregnation repeated in the same circle. Blood impregnation on both sides of the paper. Now you can go back to the main screen to select the option you're interested in, or to obtain information to know which lysosomal diseases are diagnosed by dried blood spot on filter paper. If you have any doubt, please consult the frequent questions section.